Okay guys, this is what we are doing. I'm coming cornflakes. Cheese, the skin is, yep. We're going to show you what we've got on the stove in a minute. So, this is just a trial, so this is not the official scene. Just a trial. Let's see if it actually works. Meal prep for the week. For at least 1 or 2 weeks of meal prep. Oh, here. Take the. Whoop. Show them what you put on.
Okay. Well, that's made a mess.
But.
Oh, hot. Hello guys, sorry. So Rachel's veggies, so we've got sweet potato, carrot and mushrooms in there. And then onto the stove we've got sweet potato and carrot, it's going to be mashed up. And then we've got some fettuccine, and then we're going to add some tomato. Was it pasta sauce?
Yeah. Which is in the fridge.
Which is in the fridge. I'm going to put this here. So you can watch Rachel in action. Okay.
The Italian tomato and basil paste. And we're going to add some cheese to it. And we're putting some cheese in the clump chicken. Wow. Yeah, everything is happening. So like I said, this is just a trial, not the everything. This is the success. And yeah. Most importantly, put you here.
Just doing some dishes. So we just have the left of the dishes.
There you go. I'll see you guys. So, this is how I'm going to cook the chicken.
vegetable toast. Okay.
Yeah, you put it on from this chicken. We're gonna come that, and we're gonna just this chicken and put that in the finish it with the roast. No.
Mash?
No.
We're both stuck on what we're trying to say.
Yeah, so with some roast vegetables for this one. We'll go in the fettuccine. This one is the roast. The mash. Sorry, the mash. Stuffing for the mash. The mash is stuff. I was trying to say that. Yeah. So we need a baking tray. We are doing it. Everything happening all at once.
I know. We are busy. Do this up and
I posted, I'm not saying in community, a poll.
oh yeah.
I asked, could I turn my life around? Yes.
What do you mean?
I mean, there's a lifestyle.
Okay. What are you gonna do?
Most of you said yes.
And what does that include?
That includes real prep,
Oh yeah.
being healthy,
Yeah.
removing chores, everything in between. So bringing that in action.
Would you like good meal prep?
Yep.
Okay. Let me quickly mash up this. So I'm gonna add some butter and some butter streamer.
You know what? I need a glass.